You are awesome. You are amazing. You are awesome. You are amazing. You are brilliant. Now, let me let you in on a little secret to help you get paid. You are awesome. You are amazing. You are brilliant. Now, let me let you in on a little secret to help you make the money you never thought you could make, to help you get the success, the fame, whatever it is that you want in this world. I want you to realize this. Average sucks. Nobody wants to do business with. Nobody wants to follow. Nobody wants to be with somebody that's not unique. I want you to think about all the experiences that you've had in your life, all of the things that make you you. Far too often in our career, we shy away from those things. Maybe you grew up like I did, single mom. My mom made $5,000 a year. These are all the things that made you you. Whatever it is that you do, whether you're a CPA, whether you're in sales, whether you're in real estate, figure out the thing that makes you special, that makes you unique, that makes you different, and lean in on it. If you want more tips on how you can develop your own personal brand and how you can be more successful, my name's Matt Easton. I'd love to be your new best friend. Consider giving me a follow.